My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2017 Volkswagen Passat. This vehicle has done just under 57,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, on the left we have radio and media, phone and voice control. On the right we have navigation, traffic reports, our vehicle status and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as 4 different driving modes to choose from: normal, sport, individual and eco. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.